Okay, so you have a long form piece of content on your hands and now you're wondering, how do you repurpose it for social media? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to take your podcast, your keynote speech, or even a long form YouTube video, break it down into micro pieces of content that you can share on your social media platforms. Let's get right into it. Hey there, if we haven't met already, my name is James, and on this channel, I talk about the strategy, process, and tools to help you create content for your personal brand or your business. I release new videos every single week, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you're reminded of every time that I post a new video. And for this video, we're going to be using a tool called Descript. So if you don't have that downloaded already, make sure you hit the link down in the description and you can download it for yourself. Also, for this tutorial, we needed a long form piece of content. So we're going to be using the last interview of the late, great Kobe Bryant. Okay, so step number one is to open up Descript and we're going to create a project. Once we've created our project, then we're going to add our video file to the project. Within Descript, it's going to automatically transcribe every single minute of this entire video. Now, depending on how long your video is, it may take a few minutes for it to transcribe, but trust me, it is worth the wait because it's going to make every step after this that much easier. So just in about 3 minutes, Descript has transcribed this entire video, which was over an hour long. Now that we have the transcript, what we can do is rewatch, looking for highlights that will be worthy of posting on social media. Now the key here is to look for videos and portions that are less than 60 seconds long, because this is going to allow us to post it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And for the sake of this video, I have already found a couple of clips that I would want to take out from this interview to use for social media. The first highlight is where Kobe is talking about his teacher that he had in high school, who was teaching him about storytelling. And he talks about how storytelling actually made him a better basketball player. So I have this portion of the transcript highlighted, and you can see down here, it is just about 50 seconds, 49 seconds to be exact. I'm just going to right click and we want to clip to composition and we want to select new. So what that does is copies that small section of this entire interview and it's going to paste it to a new composition where you can further edit it, add all types of little effects, and dress it up for social media. So I have another example here where Kobe is talking about looking at different industries, learning from different people and different professions, and how you can incorporate that into your own industry, or in this case, into the game of basketball for him. So I've got this portion here that I'd like to clip out, and that is a 21-second piece of content. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to right click, clip to composition, and select new. It's going to copy just that section of the entire interview to a new composition, which we can find right over here. So these are the two smaller pieces that we clipped out of the entire interview. And what you would want to do is simply just rename them. So the first one was talking about storytelling. So I'm just going to name this one Kobe Storytelling. And the second one was talking about other industries. So I'm just going to name this Kobe Different Industries. And so with each one of these clips, I can further edit it down. I can trim it up. I can add to it if I wanted to. But the main thing that I want to do is dress it up for social media. And the first thing that we're going to do is change the orientation to vertical or portrait mode, which is a 9:16. You can do that in the top right. Then I'm just going to click shift and drag, shift, click and drag this entire video, and then we have it formatted for social media. And also what I can do is add in captions by selecting the entire text on the transcript. I can go to the plus sign, scroll down and add captions, dressing it up for social media, making it a little bit more engaging. And so you would just repeat this process with all of the clips that you have from that long form piece of content, again allowing you to repurpose a podcast, a keynote, an interview, anything that you have that's longer, but you want to chunk it down for social media. And if you want to learn more about how to dress up your social media clips with progress bars, captions, titles, emojis, make sure you check out this video right here where I show you exactly how to do it. But at this point, we are ready to export our video. So simply we'll just go to Publish, tab the Export button one more time, and then we just want to export this as a video. And an MP4 is fine. We want the whole composition. We'll set our dimensions to HD, which is 1080p by 1920. That's that vertical format. We'll keep the video quality high, ensure we can keep on the metadata. Then we'll just hit export, select where we want to save, and hit save. So now that you have your repurposed content, you're gonna want to send it out to all of the social media channels. Check out this video right here where I show you how you can create one post one time and send it out to all of your social media channels at the same time. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.